In this video, you'll learn how to build an admin dashboard using Claude Code. By following these steps, you will create both the backend and front-end components necessary for a fully functional admin interface. Begin by launching Visual Studio Code on your computer. Once it is open, navigate to the terminal by selecting Terminal from the top menu and then New Terminal. This action will provide you with a command line interface at the bottom of the screen. Now, create a new folder for your project by typing mengdir admin dashboard into the terminal and pressing enter. This command creates a directory named dashboard. Move into this newly created folder by typing cd admin dashboard and hitting enter. We are now in the project directory where all your files will be stored. Next, initialize your project by executing the command npm init-y. This command will create a package.json file with default settings. After the initialization is complete, it's time to install the necessary dependencies. Type npm install express JSON web token beatcryptjs cause.tone into the terminal. This process may take a moment as the packages are downloaded and installed. Once the installation is finished, you need to start Claude Code. Simply type Claude in the terminal and hit enter. This will open Claude Code where you will generate the backend structure for your admin dashboard. In Claude Code, paste the following request: create an admin dashboard backend using node.js and Express. This request includes several requirements such as JOWT authentication, an admin login route, middleware for protecting routes, and a proper folder structure. After pasting, Claude Code will generate the necessary files and folders for your project, including app.js, controllers, routes, and middleware. You can instruct Claude to write these files directly into your project directory by saying, write these files into my project directory. Alternatively, you can manually copy the generated structure if preferred. After this, return to your terminal to run the backend server, type node.js and press enter. If everything is set up correctly, you will see a message indicating that the server is running on http://localhost. The next step involves generating the front-end dashboard. Inside the same project directory, create a new folder by typing mkdir public and pressing enter. Open Claude Code once more and paste the request, create a simple admin dashboard frontend. This request should specify the requirements for the frontend, including a login page, a dashboard page, and functionality for user management. Once Claude Code generates the frontend files, which will include login.html, dashboard.html, style.css, and script.js, ensure these files are placed inside the public folder. The final step is to modify your app.js file to serve the static front-end files. Add the line app.use express static public to include the public directory. After making this change, restart your server by typing node app.js again. Then open your web browser and navigate to http://loco 3000/login.html. You should now have a fully operational admin dashboard ready for use.